Welcome back. Today, we reflect on the wisdom of Epictetus on the theme of fate and acceptance. He wrote, "Seek not that the things which happen should happen as you wish, but wish the things which happen to be as they are." Let us dive into the 3 rules to apply this to our lives. Rule number 1, the art of acceptance. Hoping that things go exactly as we plan is a recipe for constant frustration. The Stoic adapts to reality, not the other way around. If a flight is delayed, do not complain. Use the extra hours to read, rest, or observe. Rule number 2, Amor Fati in practice. Loving your fate means greeting every event, whether pleasant or painful, with gratitude. A crisis is not a tragedy, it is a test of your character. Without adversity, you could never know the strength of your own mind. Rule number 3, the Playwright Metaphor. Epictetus compared life to a play. You do not choose your role, you only choose how well you play it. Whether you are a lead actor or a minor character, your job is to perform your part with excellence and dignity.